Hello everybody, it is I, Daisy Collins of Tsunami Rose Designs, and today I have a new junk journal to share with you guys today, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Okay, because it was my birthday last week, and I feel like doing a giveaway, not last week, 2 days ago, sorry, and I feel like doing a giveaway. I'm also going to be giving away 2 of my mystery die cut boxes. So all you have to do to win one of these is just be a subscriber and comment down below. And I will put everybody's name and we'll pick something out next week. So this is going to be junk journal number 18, and it will be on sale on my Etsy shop right after this video goes live. So if you want to purchase it, if you really like it, you can purchase it and you can look at it all you want at home. I did a lot of stitching, of course, and there's of course something on every page. Here's a nice guest check I made. I've been having a lot of fun using these die cuts, you guys, in my journals. If you guys have been keeping up with my most recent videos, I have been using that die cut box a lot for everything. I do a lot of collages. Here's a little tuck spot, and I've been using that pretty much on every page. I've been putting a die cut or something really cute. I am really enjoying doing some stitching on these journals, as well as some nice pretty collages. I decorated this book really fast. I didn't really have a chance to film just the collages that I made for this one, so there's no video on that one. I just stuck them all on here after I made it. And oh my god, I had so much fun on my birthday. My childhood friends came out. 2 of them came out and kept me company because my husband is not home. He's not gonna be home for like another month. So they came out and kept me company, and we went bowling and I ate lots of food. And we went to go do some fun stuff, walked on the strip, and yeah, it was really nice to see them again. And hopefully I'll go to California soon and hang out and get out of this heat. Even though I heard it's hot out in California right now, everybody on Instagram is posting up screenshots of their triple digits, and I've always had triple digit summers, so that doesn't scare me. Okay, here we go. So there's probably about 25 pages. I'm going to put all the details down below in the description box. You can also check out my Etsy shop to see the description of this journal. It's very embellished, and there's something put in every single pocket and in every single envelope. There's something good to look at. And of course, there's little embellishments on every page. Thank you guys so much for your support lately, and for purchasing my journals, and of course for checking out my store. Here's a tag right here. And yeah, this has just been a lot of fun. Hopefully I keep the ball rolling at this pace. Making a journal a week would be a really nice way to end the summer, start summer. It's already midsummer. Hopefully it's midsummer. Okay, here we go. There's a couple more pages. So like I said, please make sure and comment down below and be a subscriber, so that way you can be entered to win one of my die cut mystery boxes. And they're still available in my shop if you want to purchase one for yourself. And yeah, that is junk journal number 18. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Peace out.